Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all of you. Now we would like to proceed to the properties of inverse Laplace transform. By linearity property, the inverse Laplace transform becomes, so if you have this function, so by using the linearity properties, so basically you can solve it separately. Look at here, you have two function over here, so you can solve it separately, and then you will have the separate answer of that. It's similar with the linear properties in a Laplace transform. Alright, so let's understand by the question. So you have the question here, 7s minus 5 over s squared plus 5. So basically for A, you can separate it. Between the function 7s over s squared plus 5, and then with 5 over s squared plus 5. So as I told you previously, the most important part here, you need to refer to the table and choose which row will determine this function and also this one. Look at here, we have s over here, and then we have s squared over here. We have s, and then we have s squared, s and s squared, and then we have plus. Look at here, so now it refer to the cos. However, we need to make sure that the coefficient over here is 1 and the coefficient over here is 1. Now it's a very easy for this one because you can just bring outside the 7. What about this one? This one also you will directly get the answer from the table. However, please be careful. If you have a number s squared plus then a number, then it should be under sign at. So what you need to do is, we have here is a squared. A squared is equal to 5. Then your a must be square root 5. Must be a square root 5. And then similar to this one, you have a squared is equal to 5, and then your a must be square root 5. So you can bring 7 over here, and then you are taking inverse for this one. You are taking inverse for this one, so you will have s over s squared plus 5 squared. Similar to this one, you have 5 over here, but the numerator here should be 5. So as I told you, you can bring 5 over here, and then you are taking Laplace. Then this one that you put 5, we have s squared, we have here is 5 squared, and then since you are putting the 5 as the numerator, then you need to divide 5. By look at here, class, the most important part here. The most important part here is you did not change the equation. You just modify it. Look at here, we have 7 over here, we have s over here, even we change here, also the same things. Similar to this one, when this one is demolished, so basically you get the same equation as above. We did like this because of we would like to use the table as our reference. Okay, so now, okay, so from here you will have 7 over here. Look at here. Okay, look at, we have s square and a square. S square and a square. Okay, s square and a square is under cos at. So what is your cos? What is your a? A is 5. So you get the correct one. What about this one? You will have 5 over square root 5. What about here? We have a, we have s squared, we have plus, we have a squared. It's sine a t. So this is your answer. Okay. So please be careful. Sometimes you get a little bit confused, but okay, if you go one by one, step by step, then you will reach the correct answer. Okay, all right, so now let's continue to the second question. Okay, second question, so you have here 4s plus 6 over s squared minus 36. So now you separate this equation, okay, into 2. We have 4s s squared minus 36 plus 6 over here. We have s squared minus 36. Okay, so look at the table. Look at the table. I believe that this one can be easily get from the table because of, okay, you can see over here we have 6 over here, we have s squared over here, we have 6 squared over here. Look at here, we have the similar term over here, which is a. So your a is equal to 6. So look at, we have a, okay, so we have a, and then we have s squared, and then we have minus a squared. We have a, we have s, we have minus a squared. So it's under category sine hyperbolic. Sine hyperbolic at. So your a now is 6t. So very clear for the second term. What about the first term? Okay, the first term, as I said to you, the tips is you can make it the coefficient of s and s squared is equal to 1. So you will have over here. So here, okay, I can put over here to be clear like this. And then what about this one? Okay, this one, what you can do is you want to inverse this one, and then you can put 4 over here. Okay, you can put 4 over here, and then here the numerator become s. We have s squared, and then here I can convert it as a 6 squared. So look at here, you can directly get from the table. We have s, we have s squared, we have a squared. Okay, we have s, we have s squared, and minus over here. Please be careful. So basically this one is a cos, hyperbolic at. So this is the answer that you want to find. Okay, this is the answer that you want to find. Look at here. Okay, I hope you get the correct answer. I hope you get the correct answer. So you have 4 cos hyperbolic 60 plus sine hyperbolic 60. So this is your answer. Okay, I hope you understand. You may create your own question and learn how to inverse it. Okay, thank you very much.